guys, back with another one. So I got a box from Blue Tile SC. All right, so got two pairs of shoes, got some Converse, and I got some Vans. Vans, half caps. Basically reconstructed all of the shoes. I got a pair of these, didn't like how flimsy this freaking ankle part was. Thought they felt terrible, but now that they've redone them and they made it to where like this ankle part, this shit is stiff. Like I feel like I could knock somebody out with this shit. All right, so here's a closer look at the shoe. These shoes did come with an extra pair of laces. They still got a like decently thick insole, well, outer sole on the bottom. The way they're constructed, they're gonna be good for kick flips, have great ankle support. That tongue right there has an extreme amount of padding while also keeping your foot locked into place. Still got the waffle cup on the bottom. We got the thick pop cush insole. I normally switch insoles out, but let's try them on to see how they feel. All right, so these damn things, they feel weird on foot.
The way the ankle stays so freaking low, they feel like a low top. It's like my foot will almost slide out or fly out. And when I was getting them on, like I could tell just how freaking stiff they were. Because when I was putting them on, like my foot felt like, I don't know, like it was like trying to morph into something. Obviously morph into the shoe, but like it's just a weird feeling. Now they do feel comfortable, except for that weird like feeling that my ankle is gonna like rise out of the freaking shoe. Other than that, like they feel good. So classic look, skating.
They feel good. I'm not gonna really know how they skate until I skate them. So I'm gonna get the Vans at least one session before trying to switch out the insoles.
As far as these jokers go, the padding that is right here is insane. Like, foot is secure, okay? This shit ain't moving at all. Plus it had tongue straps. With this being over here, I don't see how I'm really about to be kick flipping that shit and if I'm about to break this shit. But we gonna see.
Have you guys skated either one of these shoes? Like, what do you think? I'm trying to try some new shoes. If there's anything that you guys would like me to review, leave it in the comments. Sometimes I get tired of the New Balance, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I love New Balance shoes, like skate shoes, but I get tired of them. Want me to review something else that you like, dude, you're missing out. This is a great shoe, review this one. Then leave a comment. If you want to see me skate these shoes, you're gonna have to subscribe to my channel, obviously. For my channel, you guys, I guess you're so used to seeing New Balances, you guys tune in more when it's like a New Balance shoe. If it's any other shoe, you guys typically don't mess with it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hey bruh, if you want to see me review these shoes, hit that subscribe button that's right here. If you're trying to see some more videos, trying to see what else I got in the stock, right here's a video. Hey, right here's another video. And peace. I appreciate you guys for every video you watch of mine. Y'all the greatest.